oyo mwana omunomera awayi baba akulembera mpera ano buti olwakaire linga yobikuwa bivemo nga wotabibayiremo andida sebo wekitiibwa baba waife ate former katikiro ate wakunolikule eyo wedi yabuzabuzaabu mukuloyo lala yankakabuka kati jakutwala kwiduka okugulira byampaka sebo baba wotwaganire nga isente babo era mu bigambo bya Chairman Organizing Committee byaterabire ako byatyo okulya n'okunwa biriwo oba Bible ekyo naife tukole tutya baba owo twagaine era aleka amalize ebigambo bye
ekyo research center batuwa omukono Reverend Father Kayaga twalinayo wano era yena yatuwa omukono n'obulungi obw'omukolo okutambula ate n'okuboneka buti nenda okwebaza speaker wa Guild Council ya Kampala gyali kubanga yatwenda nenda okwebaza Kampala University administration ya Kampala University batuwa omukono munene ino tusiimye owekitiibwa director Kaberuka Richard yatugemerako owalala ni staff yona batwenda Madam Namulanga timwerabire ali inumao yena yatwenda nenda okwebaza abasomi banange abaitendekero lino bona batwenda abaana basoloize esente wabwe ino tusenga tuyatwerabira kwebaza obwakyabazinga bwa Busoga omukulu twalinaye wano owagule nigule ido twabere naye era yatuwera ayera twakubira weida baba mukama akwirizeewo owalala nibonabona abakuwerekeireko baba mukobetu abaana basima ba Kampala University n'Aba Nseete era bakwenda ino tusobola kabaife gye bali tujakolera wala nabo nga mukama Katonda n'omubeezi waife basebo ne banyabo nze ekizibu ndi mwogezera ndogera kujja kuziba buzibe buke bwana ntiwumve ndijjako akatooko oliwe
alikwayogera ina ayina atutiisa tulina emikolo ebiri eja wano emisana neroyodakulegerera ebisigarewo yezira kugemaku ayi wobona akasada ali tulimbalimba wano tusobola kufukamira
mwitukuluwo Momo Martin aliyo era ajja kutembeta Jinja district nga agoberera obuwangwa n'ennono ya Busoga. Tujja kuba na bigambo bingi nja kusiima era nkobe nti bebise nabo kaba balamuseeku olw'akaseera
Jijaga mlinga kumwavu jindi elekta welinge ku
omala olinde kwakuli
omwavu ana luba omuga igawa naitama.
It is a role of the youth in universities and institutions, the Abasoga Nseete, to protect the norms and the culture of Busoga. It is you to fight for the Busoga, for the Busoga culture. You know Busoga, we have a lot, and it is so unique. It is our culture which makes it unique, which makes us very, very important and very, very special. If we destroy it, means we shall have destroyed everything in Busoga. The Western cultures come in here, destroying all what we had, but we have to fight hard. We have to fight with our name to regain, to make sure that what was meant for Busoga remains for Busoga. The natural wear, the style, and everything is for Busoga, and is always special.
Weso Nicholas mwebale nambisala mwebale nginze nebale namugaya Godfrey webale mugaya nairuba Rosemary webale
nze wayawuma ndayira okukulembera Abasoga Nseete aba Kampala University n'Obusoga mu mazima awazira okwekubira nga speaker nga kibumba n'omubeezi wange amina yawuma ndayira okuweereza Abasoga Nseete ba Kampala University n'Obusoga mu mazima awazira kwekubira nga speaker nga kibumba n'omubeezi wange amina
naza kwa sente
omukine
kina nono yangu waku
oyo natikandala
ozo
aya Pole roho tulia.
Ni wali tofaka pole tu wala.
Mantini omwogezi Waiswa Nicholas bali walaino bana musembere bwa kumbi buli ayinga certificate eri wano
Ba musingo obululu yalira.
Mugweri Swahab Mugweri Swahab Muka Julius Muka Julius Tito Ivan Zao Odo Daniel Omusoga Yenkani Muchala Katalin Tito Derek Nairuba Rosemary Waiwale Marvin.
Yeah, my name is Munaaba Edward Paul, Minister for General Duties in the Office of the Prime Minister, Busoga Kingdom. Today I'm happy to witness the soft, peaceful transition of leadership of Abasoga Nseete, who have been in power for the past 1 year. And I would like to recommend them for the good spirit they've shown in being transparent and peaceful in transition to power. However, I would like to urge and tell the new administration to be following the principles which the past regime has been working together with the kingdom. We've been together in several activities, like during the coronation. Abasoga Nseete have been instrumental in the general cleanliness of Busoga Palace, the Royal Palace, the kingdom, and also we've been using them in voluntary work in the kingdom, like selections of our bursaries. We would like to use the Abasoga Nseete to help mobilize the communities for socio-economic transformation programs, like alerting the people in the villages of the pending catastrophes like floods, like what we witnessed last night, whereby many houses have been devastated, many families have been left with no roofs. They are sleeping now under trees. So we would like them to help dissect the information from the Uganda National Meteorological Agency to alert the communities. And also I would like to urge to tell the Abasoga Nseete that Busoga is the most fertile land. It has the most fertile stretch of land, the Nakabango series. The Nakabango series, the most fertile land in the world, which is being used as a sugarcane plantation. So I would like to advise them to use that chance we have, the only chance we have, to enhance food security.